Today's topic is a very controversial one. It's one of the hottest debates in the parenting world. Breastfeeding versus formula feeding. I'm here to give you the pros and the cons that help you decide what you're going to do. So let's start with the pros of breastfeeding. There are many benefits of breastfeeding. I'll be dividing them into benefits for the mother and the baby. Number one, breastfeeding is free. That means you don't need to calculate how much you're going to spend to go buy breast milk. No, it is yours and yours alone to give to your baby whenever, wherever, however you choose to. Number two, bonding. Breastfeeding helps you bond with your baby. So there's a love hormone. It's called love hormone, also known as oxytocin. That's the chemical name. It's produced when a mother and her baby are bonding. And one of the ways to bond is through breastfeeding. It results in faster recovery from childbirth. Breastfeeding produces oxytocin, which helps the uterus contract and shrink back to its normal size more quickly, which can help to reduce postpartum bleeding and even iron deficiency anemia. Weight loss. This might come as a surprise to you. However, breastfeeding has been shown to burn up to 500 to 700 calories per day. This means that breastfeeding can help you return to your pre-pregnancy weight even faster than formula feeding would. Lower risk of chronic diseases. Breastfeeding can actually reduce the risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, ovarian cancer, breast cancer, cardiovascular disease, and osteoporosis. Breastfeeding has a lot of mental health benefits. It can help protect against postpartum depression and even relieve stress. Breast milk has immune boosting superpowers. It has antibodies, it has vitamins, it has everything basically that your baby needs in those first 6 months of life. It supports your baby's immune system. That is the system that helps us fight against infections and diseases. Babies who are breastfed have a lower risk of certain diseases. These include asthma, obesity, type 1 diabetes, severe lower respiratory disease, ear infections, sudden infant death syndrome, gastrointestinal infections. Yes, breast milk does that. Breast milk is a superhero. Studies have also shown that breastfed babies are likely to have a higher IQ than their counterparts who are formula fed. However, not everything is rosy with breastfeeding. One of the most common cons of breastfeeding is lactation problems. It can be difficult to produce enough milk, pump, and even store it. If a mother is not able to latch her baby well, maybe due to a medical condition like tongue tie. Also, if the mother has sore nipple, cracked nipples, engorged breasts, there's so many things, so many lactation problems that could happen that could make a mother discouraged from breastfeeding. I have another video that I want you to check out if you're interested in that and the remedies to lactation problems. The second one is very, very important. Sleep deprivation. Oh yes. If you're a breastfeeding mama, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. I breastfed my baby for 6 months exclusively. I was sleep deprived a lot. The third disadvantage of breastfeeding is that there is a lot of cultural pressure. So some mothers don't really want to breastfeed, but because of societal pressure, they give in and they're like, oh, let me just breastfeed. If this is you, you don't need to listen to anybody. Listen to yourself. You know what's best for your baby, okay? If you feel you can do breastfeeding exclusively, fine. If you want to mix breastfeeding with formula feeding, that's great too. I mean, your baby is getting the benefits of the breast milk and also the formula. So that's the best of both worlds, right? So the fourth disadvantage of breastfeeding is time constraints. If you're a working mama, it adds more pressure to find a balance whereby you could feed your baby and also work. Some women experience certain side effects like osteoporosis, back pain, neck pain, and the likes. Measuring milk consumption. Yes, it can be difficult to know how much your baby is eating. And this can make you worried whether your baby is eating enough and isn't growing well. Exclusive breastfeeding can also delay the return of your period. Now, if you are looking to conceive shortly after you give birth, this can be a major disadvantage to you. Not seeing your period, however, can be an advantage to some women. Feeding in public, it can be more sensitive and difficult for you to whip out your breast and feed your baby in public as compared to just using a bottle to feed your baby in public. Returning to work. These days, a lot of employers have made it possible for mothers who are breastfeeding to be able to pump and feed their babies. However, not all employers provide this. Restrictions. Some mothers who have certain illnesses and are taking certain medications would not be able to breastfeed. In addition, breastfeeding restricts your diet. This means that you will not be able to consume alcohol, or certain foods that are not healthy for your baby. The last disadvantage is that breast milk does not contain vitamin D. This means that you would need to take a supplement containing vitamin D and also give your baby vitamin D for however long you're breastfeeding. We'll be going to formula feeding. With formula feeding, anybody can feed your baby. I mean, anybody you want, even a stranger could feed your baby, but I'm sure you don't want strangers feeding your babies. That means you get enough time for yourself. Yeah, you have some me time. You're able to go out whenever you want, wherever you want, because your baby has food. You're going to get enough sleep, especially if you have help around, either your partner or a family member or a friend. They could just feed your baby and you're good to go. The next advantage of formula feeding is that you know how much your baby is eating. Look at the bottle. You're able to say, oh, my baby has taken 60 meals. My baby has taken 30 meals. And it helps you just, have that mental picture of how much your baby is eating. There is no guessing game like with breastfeeding. Formula feeding is very convenient. You could just pop a bottle in your bag. Formula feeding offers a great deal of flexibility because there's no need to pump or schedule feedings around work or other responsibilities you might have. Fewer feedings. Yes, formula fed babies tend to feed less regularly than breastfed babies. This is because formula is digested slowly. Hence, they feel fuller for longer periods of time as compared to breast milk, which is digested faster. It's easier to feed your baby in public with formula feeding because all you need is just to pop a bottle in your baby's mouth and you're good to go. Restrictions. Formula feeding mothers don't need to worry about what they're eating because their diet basically does not affect their babies. One of the cons of formula feeding is that it is pricey. Yes, you've got to spend that money. Second disadvantage is that some babies don't take well to formula. It can cause digestive issues like bloating, indigestion, diarrhea, vomiting, cramping, and so much more. It does not provide the same protection against diseases like breast milk does. You need to be a mathematician basically because you need to measure the amount of formula you're adding, the amount of water, check the temperature of the water, and it could be a lot of stress for you. You'll be washing bottles and sterilizing them like that's your new job. Yeah, it's a never-ending cycle of bottle cleaning. Powdered formula requires access to clean water, which might not be accessible for people in certain areas. If you're having trouble making a decision, you could always talk to your healthcare provider, your doctor, your midwife, or even your lactation consultant. So everything you might want to know about breastfeeding and even formula feeding would be fine to be discussed with a lactation consultant. The most important thing is that your baby is fed, healthy, and happy, okay? So choose whichever one works for you, breastfeeding, formula feeding, or even a combination of both. And remember, whichever path you choose, mama, you are doing an amazing job. So keep going. Don't let anything bring you down. You got this. I'm rooting for you.